What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, man. We finna show you all how much it costs to get an oil change. I be seeing people comment like, do different stuff, be different, show how much, you feel me, how far you can go on a road trip and gas mileage and stuff. I'm like, oh, tight shit. I didn't know y'all was interested in that. But I got a car wash and it's still this on the inside. Oh, that's a bet. We finna go over here to the oil change place though. It's literally next door. I'm at work early on. We here already that quick, man. Get that good oil change going. They let me over here. I'm good. What's up, Brody?
How are you?
Hey, I'm just recording a YouTube. Trying to show y'all how much it costs for the oil change, man. Them boys get to it.
You don't mind opening your door for me? Just gonna scan you in here.
You good?
Do you have a preferred tire pressure?
34 all the way around.
So do you want to round it to 35 maybe?
Yeah.
That sounds good. And what's the current mileage?
23,860.
860.
23,860. Yep.
Sergio?
Yep.
I'm just gonna make sure we have enough of their oil here.
All right. Take that OW40. My bad.
Preventative maintenance here. You're actually doing really good with the vehicle, especially with how new it is. The only things that we have for you is a tire rotation. We do that for $29.99. Dodge recommends that done every 6,000 miles. And the only other thing is a 12-month fuel treatment. That we put right into your gas cap. That goes in with your gas and it cleans out your injectors. That'll help you get better gas mileage. Anything we can take care of today?
I do that. I do the field treatment. I got that. I do that myself. And I be going and getting for. Thanks, boss.
Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Any cats? I'm looking for a home.
Yeah, I look nice, but deep down, it's a demon in me. I was broken down bad, they ain't believing in me. Bitch tryna bump that bullshit.
No.
Put my CD in and stuff the 100 raps up in my pants, now my jeans is round. If you owe me, better pay me, cause I ain't patient. Rush that shit like it's 4th and 15, cause I ain't waiting. I can rush you, take a nigga to the rack like Jason Taylor.
Yeah, I like
Take a nigga
dogs.
down the slide at recess, but I ain't playing. I've been a dog all my life, ain't got no faith in bitches. He been ducking for some years, so I can't wait to get him. Up in so much dog shit, I put their faces in it. Tryna knock a nigga out the park, I got good base percentage. I hit the road every day, I pray we make it back. He tried to slide in that hoop, he had to make it flat. The nigga said he want the best, so he hit my jack. Got 2 bitches and they friends talking Sammy Cat. These niggas wanna be around because I got a buzz. When you was out,
Boss
when I
man,
was
put
washing
that
clothes,
discount on that for me. That bitch has sale. Water.
I do
That
whatever
bitch
for the
has
hope, call my
sale.
nigga
Water.
dead. Bitch say she feeling me, but I don't give a fuck. I'm a whole sleeves, bitch just tryna get a nut. Mister look like it ain't on me, but I keep it tucked. Gun big as hell, look like an old man tryna keep it up. I'm in your neck of the woods, just lay your bitch around me. All my bitches hard-headed like a kitchen counter. I treat a bitch like a dog, like I'm Robert Downey. So many niggas want me scratch, I think I caught a bounty. Ain't no tick in my talk, I'm finna grab the chop. And if a nigga wants to smoke, then he can have it, huh? I been shitting on these niggas cause I ain't have a pot. I hustle for my shit, bitch, cause I ain't have a lot. If you really bout that life, then I'ma trap you in. If you fucking with that dog, then I'ma tap you in. Yeah, I'm showing love to you, but I'ma tax your friends. Popping up in niggas' dreams like I'm Candyman. This bitch tryna talk her shit, but it won't pop it to me. I heard a nigga say some shit, but he won't talk it to me. The Jets get behind me, then I'ma tip the Civic. A nigga popping out his top, believe it's getting wicked. Big wood sitting around look like a piece of shit. You a bum, it's like a puzzle the way the pieces fit. Walmart hate when I'm shopping cause my pieces hit. Trust and believe we ain't the same, that's what Keisha said. Dope blew his socks off, I got a thunder kit. In the booth I talk so much shit, I gotta plunger it. Your bitch know that I'm the truth, so what the wonder is, you come close, I shoot a hit movie like the Warner Kids.
Right there. Put that on there for you.
Hey. Don't play with my patience. Make a nigga disappear, I walk around with erasers. Only fucking with my gang, we don't fuck with replacements. You can't catch me chillin' in no hood, I'm somewhere where it's gated. She won't fuck with me, but I got problems somewhere she can't see. I got so damn rich when I go shopping, don't look at receipts. Bitch, I'm from the ski where sometimes we get mixed up with the D. This shit do get deep, sometimes you gotta watch who on your team.
Glocks and ARs came with beams. Niggas, they be faking, they be snakes, I always peep the scene. 16, nigga, we was wearing Supreme. Back then, shit was green. My niggas solid, just like they some creep. I don't even gotta speak. I'm mellow when she talk to me. Screaming hello, finna give her elbow, cause I'm off the lean. And talking sheep, gotta have a couple zeros when you talk to me. Big old 30, feel like Stephen Curry, pulling up from deep.
I'm gon' always fucking dot my eyes, don't get put on no T. If we cross the line, there's no discussion, bro, DEAD. I be dead ass living what I rap, this shit ain't CAP. This life, it don't get easy, it get harder like the SAT. My bitch left, I'm back on weed. Left my bitch, she said she don't give a fuck, but she just called last week. Never lay down back against that wall, leave that shit for the weak. She looking at my life from outside in, she just won't come and see.
Look at him, he loading up. He having the time. He got a whole case. getting it together. How much it say on there?
What's that?
The price?
I'm sorry?
I said the price.
Oh, the price? Give me 1 second on that. Just gotta put some other notes here.
What are the notes? Notes about my good oil change, man. So this is what we got right here. Originally it would have been 140 plus tax, but you feel me, they be doing that, you feel me, well, your baby 25 off, so it was 114.68. Every quart of oil, you get charged for the extra quarts. So you feel me, be looking out for that. And then this is everything else that they do that they'll charge you for, but I didn't get none of this. And this the wrong paper, cause this say a Toyota Highlander. That was that other person car. He ain't even mean to give me this. 54,000 miles, we ain't got that. Let me reset my oil. Let me reset my oil life. Reset the oil life, and then we gonna call that a video. I could give y'all some, you feel me, pulls and stuff, but I can't even do that right now. Sadly, I can't. Let's reset this oil filter. Turn it off. Turn it on. Is they cool? Oh, there we go. Wow. 100%er. And that's it for the video.